Hello everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're at the Residence La Colombe, and we're looking at their beautiful model. It's on the 25th floor, 2504. By the way, this is the hallway and what it looks like. Super crisp, clean, very, very exciting hallway. And now we're gonna walk in and take a look at this beautiful, beautiful floor plan. You're gonna love it. So I'm gonna walk in and take a look. Oh my goodness, gorgeous. I mean, right off the top, there's a gorgeous full bar here, and then this is the treat. Look at this. It's a very large room with a lot of entertaining space, floor to ceiling windows. It's just a treat for the eyes. It truly is. Look at this. It's just beautiful. The kitchen is wide open, fun, great appliances. You've got a huge island here with a lot of room for sitting. You've got great, beautiful appliances too. Look at these gorgeous appliances that are over here. That is a gas stove top. You've got lots of cabinet space. It's really white, very modern looking, super, super pretty. This is just a beautiful floor plan. It's very, again, wide open, feels great. And then with all of the window space that's here, you've got so much sun where you can see, you not only have extra entertaining space out there, but then you can see the city. This is, again, 25th floor, so you've got some fantastic options available to enjoy some great views. This does have 2 bedrooms as well. We're going to explore that on the next video. 1 bedroom is over here, 1 bedroom is over there. If you have questions anytime about anything you're seeing, send me a text. That's my number below, and I'm Grant. If you would like to take a tour at any time of the options that are here, and it's a personalized tour over the phone, send me a text as well. I'll take care of that for you as early as today.